geotextile tube dewatering. The ACE Tube R geotextile tube dewatering system is an advanced and sustainable solution designed for efficient sediment management during dredging operations. Engineered by ACE Geosynthetics, this high-performance geotextile tube utilizes durable woven polypropylene fabric to contain and dewater dredge sludge, sediment, or industrial waste. Through filtration, the system retains solids while allowing clean water to escape, significantly reducing disposal volume and environmental impact. Ideal for coastal, river, and lake restoration projects, ACE Tube R is customizable in size and configuration to meet various site requirements. Its high tensile strength and UV resistance ensure long-term durability, even under harsh environmental conditions. This dewatering method not only lowers project costs and improves efficiency, but also supports eco-friendly dredging by minimizing turbidity and contamination. With proven global applications, the ACE Tube R system represents a modern, reliable, and responsible approach to managing dredge materials in infrastructure and environmental restoration projects. Core Drive Gravel Stabilization. Discover the future of durable and elegant driveways with Core Drive Gravel Stabilization, one of the best driveway solutions for 2025. Designed to prevent gravel shifting, rutting, and erosion, this advanced stabilization system uses a strong yet lightweight honeycomb grid made from eco-friendly materials to lock gravel in place. Ideal for residential and commercial use, Core Drive offers exceptional load-bearing capacity while maintaining a natural and visually appealing finish. Its permeable design supports sustainable drainage, reducing runoff and complying with environmental regulations. Whether you're upgrading your home entrance or designing a modern landscape, Core Drive combines aesthetics, function, and sustainability in one reliable system. Easy to install and low maintenance, it ensures long-lasting stability even under frequent vehicle use. With growing demand for green infrastructure and efficient surface solutions, Core Drive stands out as a top driveway innovation, making it a smart investment for future-proofing outdoor spaces. BIM Printer R is a groundbreaking mobile topographic printer that revolutionizes the way construction and surveying professionals visualize and interact with terrain data. Designed for on-site application, this compact and highly precise device prints detailed topographic maps directly onto the ground using advanced robotic positioning and inkjet technology. The BIM Printer R brings BIM, Building Information Modeling, data to life by translating digital plans into real-world, full-scale layouts, improving accuracy, communication, and project efficiency. Ideal for civil engineering, landscaping, and infrastructure development, it eliminates the need for manual staking or guesswork. Equipped with GPS and RTK systems, it ensures pinpoint accuracy, even on complex terrain. This innovative tool streamlines the pre-construction phase, reduces labor costs, and minimizes human error. With its user-friendly interface and compatibility with major CAD and BIM platforms, the BIM Printer R sets a new standard in digital construction workflows, transforming topographic data into tangible, real-time guidance. Designing load-bearing modular origami structures represents a cutting-edge intersection of engineering, architecture, and material science. By applying the principles of origami, traditional paper folding, into structural design, engineers can create lightweight, compact, and highly efficient systems capable of bearing significant loads. These modular structures are composed of repeated geometric folds that distribute stress evenly, enhancing both strength and flexibility. Ideal for temporary shelters, disaster relief, aerospace applications, and deployable architecture, origami-based designs offer advantages in portability, rapid assembly, and scalability. Utilizing materials such as reinforced composites or foldable metals, these structures can be tailored to meet specific load and environmental requirements. Computational modeling and parametric design tools further optimize fold patterns for maximum performance. As sustainability and adaptability become key in modern design, load-bearing modular origami structures pave the way for innovative, efficient, and eco-friendly solutions in both temporary and permanent architecture. Max Frank Eggo Box. The Max Frank Ego Box is a high-performance thermal brake system specifically engineered for prefabricated concrete components, such as Vorgefertigt Disimspender, prefabricated cornice bands. Designed to ensure both structural integrity and energy efficiency, the Ego Box system provides a secure and thermally insulated connection between cantilevered concrete elements and the main structure. By minimizing thermal bridges, it enhances building envelope performance while maintaining load-bearing capacity. The modular design allows for efficient integration into factory-produced precast elements, streamlining installation on site and reducing construction time. Its robust reinforcement cages and fire-resistant materials meet stringent building codes and durability requirements. Ideal for modern architectural designs, especially in commercial and residential facades, the Ego Box enables creative freedom without compromising on performance or sustainability. With proven success across Europe, this innovative solution reflects Max Frank's commitment to advancing smart, safe, and energy-conscious construction practices. HS2 Time-Lapse Project. The HS2 Time-Lapse Project showcases an extraordinary engineering feat as a giant box structure was successfully moved into place beneath the A46 Kenilworth bypass in Warwickshire. This innovative operation marks a significant milestone in the HS2 high-speed rail project, demonstrating advanced construction techniques designed to minimize disruption to existing infrastructure. The massive concrete box, weighing over 10,000 tons, was slid into position using a precision jacking system over a single weekend, eliminating the need for prolonged road closures. Captured through high-speed time-lapse footage, the project highlights the efficiency and coordination of modern infrastructure delivery. This engineering method not only accelerates construction timelines, but also enhances safety and sustainability by reducing on-site activities and environmental impact. As one of the UK's largest infrastructure projects, HS2 continues to set new standards in innovation and project execution, with the A46 box slide standing as a prime example of smart, future-focused engineering in action. MIVA Bridge System. The MIVA Bridge System is an advanced formwork solution engineered for efficient, safe, and high-quality bridge construction. Designed with versatility and precision, MIVA Bridge formwork is ideal for a wide range of applications, including cast-in-place concrete bridges, overpasses, and complex curved structures. Its modular components allow for easy assembly, adaptability to varying geometries, and optimal alignment, reducing labor time and improving on-site productivity. Built from high-strength, durable materials, MIVA systems ensure long service life and consistent concrete finishes. Key features include integrated safety platforms, load-optimized support frames, and crane-independent handling options, enhancing both safety and speed. The system supports both standard and custom configurations, making it suitable for infrastructure projects of any scale. With MIVA's commitment to innovation and engineering excellence, the bridge system helps reduce construction costs, maintain structural integrity, and meet tight project deadlines, offering a comprehensive and reliable solution for modern bridge building. Sika 3D Concrete Printing. Sika is pioneering innovation in the construction industry by advancing 3D concrete printing technology, setting new benchmarks in efficiency, design freedom, and sustainability. Through extensive research and development, Sika has engineered high-performance concrete mixtures and printing systems that enable the automated, layer-by-layer construction of complex structures without the need for traditional formwork. This breakthrough reduces material waste, lowers labor costs, and significantly shortens construction time. Sika's 3D printing solutions offer enhanced flexibility in architectural design, allowing for the creation of curved walls, intricate facades, and custom components that were previously difficult or impossible to achieve with conventional methods. Integrated additives and admixtures ensure optimal setting time, flow behavior, and strength development. As a global leader in construction chemicals, Sika is working with industry partners and research institutions to bring scalable, sustainable, and digitally driven solutions to the market, redefining the future of construction with innovative 3D concrete printing technology. Sanko's Enduramat Ground Protection Mats. Sonco's EnduraMat ground protection mats offer a durable and reliable solution for protecting construction site surfaces while ensuring safe and efficient access for vehicles and heavy machinery. Engineered from high-density polyethylene (HDPE), EnduraMat is designed to withstand extreme loads, harsh weather, and challenging terrain without cracking, warping, or absorbing moisture. Its rugged, anti-slip surface improves traction and minimizes slippage, enhancing on-site safety for workers and equipment. Lightweight yet incredibly strong, these mats are easy to transport, deploy, and reposition, making them ideal for temporary roads, work platforms, and pedestrian pathways. EnduraMat helps prevent ground damage, erosion, and soil compaction, critical for preserving the environment and maintaining regulatory compliance. Reusable and cost-effective, the system supports sustainability efforts while lowering long-term operational expenses. Trusted by contractors and event organizers alike, Sonco's EnduraMat sets the standard for ground protection in modern, high-performance construction site management. Mivadec Slab. The new Mivadec Slab formwork system introduced the innovative drop-head beam panel method, revolutionizing the way concrete slabs are formed with enhanced speed, flexibility, and efficiency. Designed for optimized construction workflows, Mivadec allows early stripping of panels while keeping the beams and props in place, accelerating cycle times and enabling faster reuse of components. This method significantly reduces labor and material requirements on site while maintaining high surface quality and structural precision. Its modular design ensures seamless adaptability to varied slab geometries, including infill areas and irregular layouts. Made from robust, lightweight materials, the system enhances safety, reduces physical strain, and simplifies handling without requiring special tools. With integrated safety features and a clear assembly logic, Mivadec promotes productivity and minimizes errors. Ideal for commercial, residential, and infrastructure projects, this next-generation formwork system represents Miva's commitment to innovation, durability, and smarter concrete construction solutions. Hybrid polymer concrete. Hybrid polymer concrete is emerging as the ultimate bridge deck overlay solution, offering unmatched durability, rapid installation, and superior performance under harsh conditions. Combining the strength of traditional concrete with the flexibility and chemical resistance of advanced polymers, this hybrid material delivers exceptional bonding to existing surfaces, minimizing delamination and cracking. Its fast-curing properties allow for reduced traffic disruption, making it ideal for time-sensitive infrastructure projects. Resistant to water, salts, freeze-thaw cycles, and heavy loads, hybrid polymer concrete significantly extends the service life of bridge decks and reduces long-term maintenance costs. The material can be applied in thin layers while still achieving high compressive and flexural strength, ensuring a lightweight yet robust overlay. Designed for both new construction and rehabilitation projects, this innovative solution supports sustainable practices by reducing material waste and energy use. With proven performance in real-world applications, hybrid polymer concrete is setting a new standard in modern bridge preservation. The White Tower, reaching its assembly level 4, represents a landmark achievement in sustainable and modular timber architecture. Located in Switzerland, Toralva is one of the world's tallest timber observation towers, designed using advanced prefabricated construction techniques. At assembly level 4, the structure showcases the precision and efficiency of engineered wood components, seamlessly integrated on-site with minimal environmental impact. This phase highlights the unique interlocking system that ensures stability, safety, and rapid assembly without compromising aesthetics. Built from locally sourced, renewable timber, the tower reflects a deep commitment to ecological responsibility and innovation in vertical design. Each level not only provides structural strength but also serves as a visual and functional element in the tower's ascent. Toralva sets new standards in sustainable construction, demonstrating how traditional materials like wood, when combined with modern engineering, can redefine the future of architectural expression and environmentally conscious building practices. Toundra Green Roof. The Toundra Green Roof is an all-in-one, modular, pre-vegetated system designed to simplify and accelerate the installation of sustainable green roofs. Engineered for performance and ease of use, each Toundra module integrates vegetation, growing medium, drainage, and water retention, in a single, ready-to-place unit. This innovative system reduces installation time, ensures consistent vegetation coverage, and supports long-term plant health with minimal maintenance. Ideal for both new construction and retrofit projects, Box offers excellent thermal insulation, stormwater management, and urban biodiversity enhancement. Its lightweight, compact design allows for easy transport and placement without the need for specialized equipment. The pre-cultivated vegetation ensures immediate aesthetic appeal and functional benefits upon installation. Developed with durability and environmental impact in mind, the Box system represents a smart, scalable solution for green infrastructure. It is the perfect choice for architects, builders, and property owners seeking a reliable, eco-friendly roofing solution that performs and impresses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.